Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. This video is an introduction to the coordinate plane and how to plot points. Just like driving to a friend's house, we use directions on the coordinate plane to help us find where we're going. So the first thing is we need to know our way around the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is made of two axes. The x-axis goes horizontally and the y-axis goes vertically. That splits this into four sections. Quadrant 1 is all positive. Quadrant 2, x is negative and y is positive. Quadrant 3, both variables are negative. And in quadrant 4, x is positive but y is negative. In the middle of our graph where the two axes cross is called our origin. When we have a point, the first number of our point is always the x variable. It tells us how do we move left and right. If it's positive, we move to the right. If it's negative, we move to the left. The second variable is the y variable. That tells us do we go up or do we go down. If it's positive, we go up. If it's negative, we go down. So let's take a look at our first point, 1, 7. 1 is in the x direction. So we go to our x-axis starting at the origin and we move positive 1. So here's a pit stop on our travel to the point. Next, we have the number 7. That means in the y direction, or vertically, we're going to move 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to make a distinct point at that place. Let's try another point. The next one is negative 3. So on the x-axis, we are going to start at the origin always. And we're going to go negative 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll make a pit stop here at negative 3. Now in the y direction, we're going to go positive 2. So we're going to go up 2. 1, 2, and we're going to make our new point. I'll try one more. Let's try negative 1, negative 4. So we have to start by moving in the x direction, negative 1. So we're going to go negative 1. We'll make a pit stop there. Now we're going negative 4. So in the y direction, we're going to go negative 4 or down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the place that we will make our point. So every point has two directions, left or right, and also up and down. This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.